Yes.
Okay, welcome everybody. This is the webinar on practical uses of AI and automation for operations, compliance, and client service in financial services. And we're really excited to present this today and show you some use cases we've seen from real world projects we've done in the field related to this subject. And so I know AI is obviously a hot topic, and it's something that a lot of people are thinking about. And so we're really excited to go into this detail. So a little bit about our speakers. I'm sure you all know David. We've got David, who's the CEO and CMO of UNAPEN, who will be co-presenting with me. And then we've got me, Rock Vitale, the founder and CEO of Easie. We'll talk a little bit about our companies and what we do as a refresher, and then we'll dive into the subject.
So I know a lot of the folks on here have interacted with UNAPEN, either clients or prospects, but we've been around for over 30 years. And I think one of the driving forces today is that over the 30 years, we've seen very similar and consistent needs across compliance, client service, and ops. Compliance, they're always struggling to keep up with data and information. And those mountains of data have grown over the years. And client service is all about personalization and attentiveness. And operations all about streamlining and efficiency. So UNAPEN essentially reaches out to internal and external data sources, aggregates data in a data warehouse, and then sends that data out to CRMs, trading systems, client reporting systems, portfolio management systems and interfaces, executive oversight. So it really is about sending content and context-sensitive data to each user so that they know how to do their job and can do it much easier and faster. And so that's a consistent theme. And with AI, we just have newer tools and expanded functionality, and we'll go through that today.
Awesome. Thanks, David. And then Easie is my company, and our firm has been working in the field of automation and AI implementation since 2018. So our firm has been involved in AI, natural language processing, computer vision, and multimodal data processing since before ChatGPT existed. And we've got experience with implementation for complex use cases, even outside of large language models. And one of the things we'll talk about is that in some cases, large language models aren't necessarily the best or most cost-effective solution. But we've seen quite a lot. We've done over 600 projects in about 40 different industries across both AI and automation. And to David's point, I think choosing the right tool for the right job is critically important. You see kind of a lot of the same types of problems faced across different industries, and you encounter situations where the tools might be slightly different, but this need to have sort of automated, consistent results, sending data that's context sensitive to different locations, and having everything be integrated to talk to each other is often the requirement. And so in some cases, AI is helpful. In some cases, just traditional automation and integrations are helpful. And in some cases, you have the two working together. And so it's been really interesting kind of seeing this wave of AI interest in the past couple of years as things have kind of developed. But that's what we do. And, helping with the implementation of technology, specifically in this sort of focus area, has been, a big part of our work. And so with that, and here's some of our clients that we've worked with. But with that, we want to go a little bit into the goals of this session. So we know a lot of the attendees here are in the sort of financial services space, but some may also be in the nonprofit sector. But our mission for this webinar is really to help financial services firms work smarter through AI and automation solutions that can help minimize the amount of manual work that's being done, while simultaneously help you focus on the highest impact work, where you can focus your resources on things that are strategically valuable to your organization. So minimizing kind of manual activity and helping sort of make repetitive work streamlined as much as possible. And, our vision, again, at the end of the day, is that you're spending less time on repetitive tasks and more time on client relationships and growing your business. And so practically what that means in today's session is we're going to be sharing some actual practical AI examples from projects that we've done related to financial services, and then also give you a framework for identifying automation opportunities across your business.